I have a wonderful family. There are 5 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me. We all live together in a warm and happy home. Our house has 3 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a small garden. We love spending time together. My father's name is Ahmed. He is 45 years old. He works as a teacher at a secondary school. Every morning, he wakes up early and goes to school. He teaches history to students. My father is very smart and patient. In the evening, he reads books or watches the news on TV. On the weekend, he likes to go for walks or visit our relatives. Sometimes, he helps me with my school projects. I admire my father because he works hard and always teaches us good values. My mother's name is Amina. She is 40 years old. She is a nurse at the city hospital. She takes care of sick people and helps doctors. Her job is difficult, but she always smiles. She is a very strong and caring woman. My mother also takes care of our home. She cooks delicious meals every day. My favorite food is her chicken with rice. She also likes gardening. She grows flowers like roses and tulips in our garden. Every morning, she waters the plants. I help her sometimes, and we talk while working. My sister's name is Sarah. She is 18 years old. She is a university student. She studies English literature and wants to become a teacher. Sarah is very kind and intelligent. She speaks English very well and helps me with my English homework. She also loves reading books, especially stories and poems. In her free time, she listens to music and writes in her notebook. She has many friends and sometimes goes out with them to the library or a cafe. My brother's name is Youssef. He is 10 years old. He is a primary school student in grade 5. He is very active and always running around. Youssef loves to play football with his friends in the park. He also likes playing video games, especially racing games. He is funny and always makes us laugh with his jokes. Sometimes he makes a mess in the house, but we all still love him a lot. I am 13 years old. I am a student in middle school. I study many subjects like math, English, Arabic, and science. My favorite subject is English because I enjoy learning new words and speaking in class. I want to become a doctor in the future. I like to draw pictures and read stories. I also help my parents at home. I clean my room, help set the table, and take out the trash. In the evenings, we eat dinner together at the table. We talk about our day and laugh together. After dinner, we sometimes watch a movie or play board games. On weekends, we go shopping, visit family, or go to the park. Sometimes, we have a picnic or take short trips to the countryside. I feel very lucky to have a loving and caring family. We help each other, support one another, and share everything. My family is the most important thing in my life. They make me feel safe, happy, and loved every day.